Hi, Miss Maine. How was the workshop?
Hi. Actually, the workshop is really cool. People are engaged to doing activities with all of the props that the team prepared, and actually, this will help us in our daily operational work when it comes to job na related to communication. So that's really nice. I
Alright.
like it, and I'm happy with the all-around
Cool.
training that we have today. Thank
Cool.
you.
How was? Can you tell me about the facilitator?
Oh, facilitator. Actually, the facilitator is really, really good when it comes to communication. It's pretty clear and understandable.
Yep.
And she's taking her time, and I really appreciate that she took her time to actually collect all the roles that we have, and then search for what are those roles about. And she actually gave us a time
Yep.
to explain what are those job descriptions that we have. So I appreciate that, and she did a good job.
Thank you, Miss Maine.
Thank